Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting a clean 1L or 2L bottle and removing the label. This reduces paint flaking. Next, cut a rectangular window along the side for wing placement, making sure edges are smooth so glue adheres. Once done, sketch the belly oval and wing shapes with a marker. This guide lets you paint precisely. Make sure to keep scissors angled away from your hands, safety first, and set aside felt and googly eyes for later details. You now shape and paint the body. Trim the bottle top to create the head and sand any rough edges so you don't tear the felt. Next, mask the belly with paper, then spray black on the remaining body. Once dry, remove masking and paint the belly white for contrast. After paint cures, glue felt wings and tail to the sides, holding each piece firmly so the bond sets evenly. This creates a neat, durable surface for decoration and handling. You finish with facial details and sealing. Attach googly eyes above the white belly, then glue an orange felt triangle for the beak centered between the eyes. Make small orange feet from felt and secure them at the base so the penguin stands. Once all parts are set, spray a clear matte coat to protect paint and reduce shine. If paint peels later, sand the spot lightly, wipe with alcohol, then apply a thin primer layer before repainting to ensure adhesion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.